Hi, I'm Mark Sullivan for Expert Village, and today we're going to show you how to cook your veggie kebabs over a natural open pit fire. What you can do also is take a corn, let me see how that's warming up, and put it into the actual coals. And that'll cook it pretty quickly. So you can just put your corn right down into the coals, and it'll cook a lot quicker. So I am going to go ahead and put these a little bit more over the fire so that they'll cook a little bit faster. And move this around just a little bit. Actually, I'm going to take that out of the coals and put that up with the rest of them. Okay, so it looks like we're going to let that cook for just a little while.